Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation English Level 2. First point, introduce myself. Second point, my your try experience to Ibagué. Third point, the where in Ibagué. Fourth point, recommendation. My name is Luis Miguel Prada Vargas. I am 38 years old. I was born in Suarez. Now I am a student in the Environmental Engineer program at United. I worked at Hospital San Rafael of the municipality of Espinal. I like playing ball with my son, listening to music, playing guitar, and going to the gym. I live with my son and my wife. I am married and have a son named Miguel Angel. My travel experience in Ibagué. Last February, I was visiting the beautiful city with my family. We were in the one of the most recognized places in the park of musicians. This city is named as the musical house of Colombia and we today they to the equation several musical groups with its Colombian folklore. I am very happy that I like the music. I was else of the Estadio Manuel Murillo Toros to see the Tolima sport train and my main reason for wanting to see them was my son and that I'm with the years in is he a lord of football will be a great football star. The people of the city is very friendly and they makes you feel at home. We last on the week visited the beautiful city. The weather in Ibagué. The climate of Ibagué is ideal to live these ramps. It makes it nice enough deep visit the city. Recommendation if you go to Ibagué. I recommend this visit the Museum Park is history place and this is School of Music. It is place it is very pleased because you can hear music played by the student and this relax the mind. If you want to take a memory, this square of the craftsmen make very beautiful crafts. Thank you. Bye bye.